Humidifiers are generally in the to-do list of parents who are awaiting the arrival of their baby. If you are wondering whether or not humidifiers are good for babies, then watch the video to the end. We will discuss advantages and disadvantages of humidifiers and how to use them to keep the baby healthy. Humidifiers are particularly useful when the atmospheric air is dry. When heaters run full-time during the winter months, the inside home air gets dry. This dryness may give your baby dry skin or congestion. Both these conditions are not good in the early stage of baby's growth. A baby born in winter is more at risk of these conditions than the babies born in summer months. A humidifier can help restore moisture to dry skin and nasal passages without medication. Otherwise, babies may require medicines to deal with these conditions. A humidifier provides continuous moisture that soothes the throat and opens up nasal passages. This can make breathing easier for your baby and can help you and baby get some rest. While this is a big advantage, unclean humidifiers can cause more respiratory problems. Other disadvantages include difficult cleaning of the tank due to minerals buildup from the use of water and sleep disruptions due to noise. There are many types of humidifiers which differ in the way they produce moisture, but the end result is the same moist air. Two of these types are widely used. They are cool mist and warm mist humidifiers. Without going into the detailed mechanics, we can say the cold mist humidifiers have a slight edge on warm mist humidifiers as far as comforts of babies are concerned. The American Academy of Pediatrics, AAP, recommends cool mist humidifiers for babies and children. This is because the boiling water and hot steam from warm mist humidifiers can burn the skin if the baby comes too close to it. Another useful tip is to use distilled or purified water, though it is expensive but good for the health of the baby. Tap water has more minerals which get deposited in the tank. You have to make sure that the water tank of the humidifier is always clean. Empty the tank every day and air dry it before reuse. Do a more thorough cleaning twice a week to remove scale or depositions and disinfect the tank with 3% hydrogen peroxide. Also use a hygrometer to maintain about 50% humidity. And the last precaution is to consult a doctor if you notice any respiratory symptoms, in spite of keeping the humidifier tank thoroughly cleaned. Bottom line is, humidifiers are good for babies. Use cool mist humidifiers and regularly clean them thoroughly for best results. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.